Good morning, students. How you all? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. So here again, I welcome you all in our accountancy class. So children, today we will discuss two other cases related journal entries, three cases journal entries already I had explained in previous videos. So children, our fourth case is when new partner brings goodwill in kind. So children, when a new partner brings goodwill in kind, that time we will prepare these both journal entries. First, sundry asset account debit to new partner's capital account to premium account. Second, premium account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Case number 5, when goodwill is hidden, that time we will prepare these journal entries like cash account debit to premium account, second, new partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. So children, today I will discuss both the cases with the journal entries or numerical question. So let's start. So children, according to case 4, when a new partner brings goodwill in kind, its meaning is, children, sometimes a new partner, instead of bringing in cash, may bring his share of goodwill premium in the form of some assets. In such a situation, the amount of assets brought in will be debited in the place of cash or bank account. Premium account will be credited for his share of premium. Afterward, premium account will be transferred to the capital accounts of the sacrificing partners in their sacrificing ratio. So journal entry will be prepared as sundry assets account debit to new partners capital account to premium account. Second, premium account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. So children, now I am explaining a numerical question. So children, this is the question: goodwill brought in kind in the firm by a new partner. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. On 1st April 2016, they admit C as a new partner for 313 share in the profit. The new ratio will be 5:5:3. C contributed the following assets towards his capital and share of goodwill: stock 20,000, furniture 30,000, machinery 80,000. On the date of admission of C, the goodwill of the firm was valued 2,60,000. Pass necessary journal entries. So children, in this question, there are two partners A and B. Their profit sharing ratio 3:2, but they had admitted a new partner C in the firm, and both the partner will give 313 share profit in the ratio to the new partner. Okay, so firm also show a new profit sharing ratio which will be used in future in the form 5:5:3, and C has not bring any cash amount for goodwill. He only bring some assets in the to the firm. Okay, so like stock 20,000, furniture 30,000 and machinery 80,000. So children, these three assets bring by C in the favor of a firm. So now we will prepare the journal entries according case number 4. So children, first I will prepare working note of this question. In this question there are two partners A and B. Their profit sharing ratio, old ratio is 3:2 is equals to 5, and they had admitted a partner C in the firm. Both will be give 313 share in the profit in future, and the firm has decided new ratio 5:5:3. So this ratio will be applied in future ratio. Next, C contribute to the firm stock 20,000, furniture 30,000 and machinery 80,000. So children, according this, C has not bring any amount for goodwill in cash. He only bring these assets, and these assets will be debited to the firm in assets account. So now we will prepare the general entries for related these assets. First general entry we will prepare sundry assets account debit. So first general entry, sundry assets account debit 1,30,000 to C capital account 70,000 to premium account 60,000. Nation will be used being stock, furniture, machinery contributed by C as his capital and his share of premium. Okay, so first general entry will be passed. Sundry assets account debit 1,30,000 to C capital account 70,000 to premium account 60,000. So children, if we are totaling this assets, then it will be total 1,30,000 rupees. So these assets are valuable to rupees 1,30,000. So sundry asset total assets value will be debit 1,30,000 in the books of accounts, to C capital account 70,000, to premium account 60,000. So children, now also we will find out the value of goodwill which this new partner has to be bring, but he has not bring with him. Second general entry, premium account debit 60,000 to A capital account 56,000 to B capital account 4,000. Nation will be used being goodwill or premium transferred to old partners capital accounts in their sacrificing ratio, that is 14:4. So children, this premium amount will be distributed among all the partners, all old partners, in the sacrificing ratio 14:1. So children, in this question also we will calculate the amount of goodwill which has to be paying in from the side of a new partner, but he has not bring this amount in cash with him. So now we will calculate this amount and how the old partners has give this amount in the favor of C. Okay, so children, in this question also has given 2,60,000 goodwill amount. So first we will find out how much amount will be paying from the side of C. So 2,60,000, and also in the question has given 5:5:3. So according this 13 ratio will be total. So now we will divide 2,60,000 divided by 13. 20,000 will be a single unit. Okay. Now according this 5 ratio into 20,000, 1 lakh. Goodwill is A. Same 20,000 is equals to 1 lakh. Goodwill is for B, and into 6 into 20 is equals to 60,000. Goodwill will be C. Okay. So 2,60,000 goodwill amount. In this amount, C also has a hidden profit, and in future 2,60,000, 60,000 rupees goodwill amount will be transferred to a new partner. But now this time the new partner has given goodwill amount in the favor of the firm. But in this case, the new partner has not bring this amount with him, 60,000 rupees. So now this amount the firm will be deduct in the assets of which given by a new partner. Okay. So according this, C has given three assets in the favor of the firm. So this total amount is 1,30,000. Total sundry assets account debit 1,30,000. To C capital account 70,000. So in this value 1,30,000, the first will be deduct first goodwill amount. After that, which amount will be remain, that amount will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay, so again I will repeat this statement. These total assets 1,30,000, these assets has given by a new partner in the favor of a firm, because he has not bring any goodwill amount in cash. That time these assets has given by C in the favor of firm. So now the firm will be deduct in these amounts first goodwill amount. After that, if some amount will be remain, that amount will be transferred to partners capital account. So remaining amount will be transferred to C capital account. If I will less 1,30,000 rupees and 60,000 goodwill which has to be paid in firm by a new partner, but he has not bring this amount. So now the firm will be deduct 1,30,000, 60,000, 1,30,000, 60,000 deduct in this amount. After that, 70,000 amount will be remain. This amount the firm has transferred to C capital account transferred. Okay. So now this general entry, sundry asset account debit 1,30,000, to C capital account 70,000, to premium account 60,000. And next general entry will be prepared, premium account debit 60,000 premium for goodwill. Okay. So which which deduct in the assets value. So now account has opened for premium or goodwill account. So premium account debit 60,000, to A capital account 56,000, to B capital account 4,000. So children, now this goodwill amount has distributed among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio 14:1. I hope this numerical question will be clear. So children, now I am explained case number 5th, when goodwill is hidden. Okay, when goodwill is hidden, that time we will prepare these two general entries. First, cash account debit to premium account, new partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. So children, according this case, when the goodwill is hidden, sometimes the amount of goodwill being brought in by the new partner is not clearly mentioned. The question also keeps quiet about the method of calculating goodwill. The profits of current and previous year are also not given. Then goodwill is calculated on the basis of PSR. PSR meaning is profit sharing ratio or capitalization method. Then we will use these steps. First step is ascertain the total or combined capital of old and new partner. Capital is equals to asset revalued minus liabilities revalued. Second step is find out the total capital of the new firm. Example, if new partner's capital for his 1/5 share is rupees 50,000, then total capital of the new firm will be 5 times of new partner's capital. So children, if new partner's capital for his 1/5 share is rupees 50,000. So children, if a new partner has invested the capital amount 50,000, so according this will be 5 times of capital will be invested to the total capital in the firm. So then we will calculate total capital which has invested in the business by the old partner and the new partner. Okay. Third step is determination of goodwill. Excess of the capital of the new firm over the combined capital of old and new partners is assumed to be goodwill. So children, according this, if the firm has goodwill is excess in amount. Its meaning is in excess amount, goodwill amount has also included. So according these steps, we will find out the goodwill which is called hidden goodwill from these case. Okay. So children, now I have used a numerical question related to case 5th. Question is A and B are partners, capitals 13,000 and 9,000. They admitted C as a new partner with 1/5 share in profit of the firm. C brings 8,000 as his capital past entries. So children, in this case, there are two partners A and B. Their capital investment amount is 13,000 or 9,000. They have admitted a new partner C in the firm with 1/5 share in profit. Okay, and C has bring 8,000 as his capital amount, which amount C has given to the firm. So now we will prepare the journal entries, because in this case C has not given any amount of goodwill to the firm. So here we will calculate the hidden goodwill amount. Okay. So children, first entry will be first cash account debit 8,000 to C capital account 8,000. Nation will be being amount of capital brought in cash by C. So children, in this case C has bring 8,000 rupees for his capital. So now we are preparing the journal entry first for his capital amount. Okay. Second journal entry will be C capital account debit 2,000 to A capital account 1,000. Nation will be being C share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio 1:1. So children, in this case these two entry will be prepared. First related for cash and second is related for capital, because in this question a new partner has not given any amount for goodwill. Okay, so first entry cash account debit 8,000 to C capital account, and second entry is C capital account debit 2,000 to A capital account. Now we are preparing working note in this question. So working note, because in this question we also find out the amount of hidden goodwill. So now we have prepared working note. Total capital of all the partners. Okay, so 13,000 given by A plus 9,000 capital invested by B, and 8,000 capital invested by C. So total capital 30,000 has invested in the business. So this is the total capital which has invested in the business. Second, total capital of the new firm on the basis of new partner capital account new partners. So C has given 8,000 rupees into 5 is equals to 40,000 rupees. So children, total capital of the new firm on the basis of new partners capital. So children, this is the 30,000 is total capital which has invested in the business, but C has admitted and he bring 8,000 rupees as his capital. So total capital of the new firm on the basis of new partners capital account, he has given 8,000 into divided by 5 times is equals to 40,000 capital is total capital invest in the business. Now we will calculate the goodwill So total capital invested in the business 40,000 rupees. Now we will less 30,000 rupees is equals to 10,000 is goodwill amount in the capital. Okay. C. Now we will find the goodwill amount of C. C share of goodwill 10,000 in 1/5 because in future his profit sharing ratio is 1/5. So 10,000 goodwill will be divided in the ratio 5, so is equals to 2,000. According this we have prepared this general entry. C capital account debit 2,000 to A capital account 1,000, being C share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio 1:1. Okay, so children, again I have solved another question. So children, I have taken one another question. Question is, Mamta and Seema are partners and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They have admitted a new partner, Rakhi, for 1/4 share profit. Okay, Rakhi brings 8 lakh rupees as capital. The value of total assets of the firm was rupees 16 lakh and outside liabilities at rupees 2 lakh on that date pass journal entry. So children, this question is, Mamta and Seema are partners. Their profit sharing ratio 3:2. They have admitted a new partner, Rakhi, for 1/4 share profit in future. Rakhi bring 8 lakh rupees as capital. The value of total asset of the firm was rupees 16 lakh and outside liability at rupees 2 lakh. So children, in this question we also find out the value of hidden goodwill. So first we will prepare the general entries. Bank account debit 8 lakh because amount is very heavy, so according this we are invest this money in the bank. Bank account debit 8 lakh rupees to Rakhi capital account 8 lakh. Nation will be being Rakhi brought her capital in cash. Okay. Second entry will be Rakhi capital account debit 2,50,000 to Mamta capital account 1,50,000 to Seema capital account 1 lakh, and narration will be being Rakhi share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio 3:2. So children, first general entry we will pass bank account debit 8 lakh to Rakhi capital account 8 lakh. Being Rakhi brought her capital in cash. Second general entry will be Rakhi capital account debit 2,50,000 to Mamta capital account 1,50,000 to Seema capital account 1 lakh. being Rakhi's share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio 3:2. So first, now we will prepare the working note for hidden goodwill. Okay, so first step, total capital of the firm. So children, first step, we will find out the total value capital invested in the business is equals to Rakhi capital into reciprocal of her share. So Rakhi capital investment amount is 8 lakh and his profit sharing ratio 4, so is equals to 32 lakh rupees is the total capital invested in the firm. Now net worth is equals to total assets minus outside liabilities. Total assets of the firm 16 lakh minus outside liability 2 lakh is equals to 14 lakh total net worth assets the firm have. Third, capital employed is equals to 14 lakh net worth asset the firm have plus 8 lakh rupees has given by Rakhi to the firm, so is equals to 22 lakh rupees is capital investment. Goodwill, now we will calculate the goodwill. Total capital minus capital employed. So children, what is the difference between total capital and capital employed? So children, total capital is how much amount invested in the business already, and capital employed meaning is which capital amount is required by the business. So there are the difference. Total capital, total investment in the business, and capital employed meaning is how much the requirement of the firm for capital. Okay, so there is the difference. So total capital amount is 32 lakh minus capital employed 22 lakh is equals to 10 lakh rupees for goodwill, and Rakhi share will be short out. Rakhi share of goodwill is equals to 10 lakh into 1/4 is equals to 2,50,000. So children, in the firm goodwill 10 lakh rupees, Rakhi share of goodwill 2,50,000. So now we are preparing this general entry on the basis of this concept. Goodwill amount, Rakhi capital account debit 2,50,000, which has to be sacrificed by the old partner in favor of Rakhi. To Mamta capital account 1,50,000, to Seema capital account 1 lakh, being Rakhi share of goodwill adjusted in sacrificing ratio 3:2. So children, today in this video I had completed all the cases which are related to treatment of goodwill. Okay, so children, I hope these numerical questions will be clear. So take care. Goodbye.